Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kaka Uche. Welcome to my channel. Yes, so in my last video I told you guys that I was going to do a video unboxing the goodie bag I got from the masterclass, the Laifa's masterclass. Yeah, so this is the bag. It's still sealed. This is how they gave it to me. It's still sealed. I haven't opened the bag. I haven't even peeped to see what's inside. So let's unbox it together, guys. So this is how the bag came. Yeah, this is how the bag came. On it, it's written masterclass with Laifa Beauty, and all of her details is there. So let's see what I got. Let's see what I got, guys. Oh, sorry, I have to off this. Yeah, it was like, ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, so guys, the first thing here is this. Wow. Woo. The first thing here is this palette. I think it's an eyeshadow palette. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. God, I'm supposed to get a razor. Don't know. Okay, my nails is doing the job. All right, let's see what this is looking like. How do I open? Okay, let's see what this is looking, guys. Wow, guys, look at that packaging. This is what the front looks like, and this is what the back looks like. And oh, guys, look at that beautiful colors. Oh, guys, this eyeshadow palette is so cute. Wow, this is nice. So this is the first thing in my goodie bag. Let's see the second. Let me just see. All right, guys, is the Omaricode moisture maximizer for all skin types. This is so nice. Wow, guys, at that. Look at that, guys. Look at it. This is so cute. Oh, it was upside down. I'm sorry. Look at it, guys. Look at it. So this is number 2. Over to number 3. Oops. Oh, Omaricode again. This is Omaricode Skin Mist. Makeup setting spray. This is it. The Omaricode Skin Mix makeup setting spray. Wow, guys. I am so excited right now. I am so excited, guys. I'm so excited for this. Ooh, just take a look at that. Take a look at this beauty, guys. Just take a look at her. This is so cute. So this is the Omaricode Skin Mist makeup setting spray with niacinamide. Yeah. So this is the 13 in my goodie bag. Ooh, voila. Wink lashes. this this is a pair of lashes from Wink. This is so cute. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I have not been saying thank you. Thank you, Avor. Thank you, Omaricode. Thank you, Wink Beauty. I can't wait to try this, guys. I can't wait. So next thing in my goodie bag. Ooh, someone got a purple beauty blender. So this is a beauty sponge, sorry, from Yanga Beauty. Look at that purple baby. Look at that purple baby, guys. I can't wait to use this. Thank you so much, Yanga Beauty. Ooh, what I'm feeling now is what I know it is. This is the Merak setting powder. Yeah! And I got the shade Nutmeg, guys. Okay, I just have to open this. I got the shade Nutmeg. Not anymore. Guys, look at, oh, it comes with a, oopsie, it comes with a little black puff, which I find really nice because all the time you get anism is branded, which I find really cute. And guys, this is what it looks like. This is what it looks, oh guys, I don't know. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It is super cute. Yeah, so I got the shade Nutmeg. So this is like a dark shade. Thank you so much, Merak. Thank you so much. So next thing is, whew, yeah, Beauty by Joms. Oh, so this is a lip stain from Beauty by Joms. I hope I'm getting that correctly. Yeah, so let's see. Oh guys, this is a red shade. Look at that. Look at that, guys. It's a red shade. Ooh. Thank you so much, Beauty by Jones. Let us see what next is in my goodie bag. Ooh. Oh, this is the Haggai and Esther highbrow stencils. Contains 5 stencils. Okay, let's see what these are. Oh, okay, guys, so these are like the stuff like this. Maybe you don't know how to really get the outline of your brows. This makes the job really easy. Yeah, so yeah, thank you so much, hey guy and Esther. Thank you. Let's check what next is in my goodie bag. Ta-da! It is the So Pro Hydro Glow, guys. Guys, look at that. Can you see? Can you see? Oh, okay, behave. Okay, guys. So this is the Hydro Glow Mist from So Pro Cosmetic in the shade Chandelier. Look at, shake, 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 shake. Ah, this is so cute. Thank you so much, So Pro. Thank you so much. Next in my goodie bag. Oh, okay. Another eyebrow stencils from Hey Guy and Esther. Thank you so much. Next. Hmm, I got my second puff from, and this one is from Yanga Beauty. Thank you so much, Yanga Beauty. Ooh, oops. So I got this Attitude Smooth gel liner from Yanga Beauty also. Guys, I think most of the things here are from Yanga Beauty. Thank you so much, Yanga Beauty. And next thing is this angle brush, also from Yanga Beauty. Thank you so much. Next, guys. I know you guys are saying, "Oh, this goodie bag is a lot." Yeah. Oh, we got a beautiful this is like a tester, and this is from Nuban Beauty. And this is the shade All We Know. Yeah, that is a bright shade, so I'll definitely be using it on a client. So yeah, Thank you so much, Nuban Beauty. What else is in my bag? Guys, Yanga Beauty. In fact, let me bring out the rest things. Guys, Yanga Beauty did a lot too. Look at this is concealer shades from Yanga Beauty, and this is in SMC 5 and SMC 6. So yeah, these are concealers from Yanga Beauty. And the last but not the least is this precise eyeliner, charcoal, long lasting, waterproof, soft gliding, and this is from Merak Cosmetics. See, yeah, so guys, now our goodie bag is empty. Yes, thank you so much everybody that sponsored the Laifa's masterclass, and thank you so much Laifa for putting up a great masterclass. Like, I had so much fun. We had a lot fun. We had food to eat. She even did something, guys. Yeah, she did this a basic notepad for us too. And what else? Yes, guys, I haven't shown you guys this. Like, this is my certificate from where? From Laifa Beauty. Certificate of completion. This certifies that House of Kaka has successfully completed the training course of Makeup Masterclass on this day, December 4th, 2022. And that's on period. Alright guys, we have come to the end of this video. Guys, I did not want this video to end. I did not want to stop bringing out things on my goodie bag. This goodie bag was really packed with good stuffs, and of course in my next video I would be using all of these products to create a makeup look you should be rocking this Christmas season. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and share this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. But for now, I've got to run to my date. Yes, bye guys, I love you all so much. Mwah. All right, it's time to go.